You might be wondering why Noah's holding a lemon. Well, TikTok has a lot of weird car hacks, and today we're gonna test them.
How you can get into your car when your key won't turn. All you need is a little spray. First you spray the key, both sides. Then you spray the lock, you push it in. Look how smooth it is now.
Ugh. Yeah, that's sticky. It's like spongy and sticky, it's gross, but Scotty Kilmer taught me a trick. Simply grab your spray. Oh God. Now lean her over.
Get the whole key, bro.
Simply just...
No, get it, really layer in there.
Oh. I think it needs a few.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's way better.
Let me feel that.
Action is way better.
Oh yeah.
So that's
Should we try on Roxy?
That works. Roxy, you want to give it a shot?
This one is a sticky. I have troubles getting into this thing every day, and my key battery is dead. So.
Oh.
Did you feel that way?
That's
it literally, it stays. Yeah.
Don't forget to get in the hole.
The hole is my favorite part. Huh? And it's electronic safe. So let's give her a couple. If it stays.
Will it snap back?
Oh! Right away. Lock, easy. Unlock, boom, done.
All right. Thanks, Scotty.
Beautiful.
That
Thank
works.
you, Scotty.
Thanks, Scotty. This one.
What is that?
A
lemon.
This
makes sense, actually.
It makes sense, but it's grossing me out.
Baking soda is abrasive, and lemon is like acidic.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Whoa!
All right, yeah, we might have to try that.
That we're trying right now.
Oh, Jesus. All right, so it's said that a lemon covered in baking soda zzzz around a dirt headlight, and you got yourself clear as day. Let's give it a shot.
It's just the captain here to remind you that if we hit 1 million subscribers before the end of the year, we'll drive a Prius to the Arctic Circle.
All right, let's wipe her down.
I'm coming in.
Yep.
It looks better than the other one, right?
Let's see.
I mean, it's all right, like.
Well, it's less yellowed.
It's a little bit better for sure.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
It didn't work. So all right, so we're gonna give this TikTok a second chance here with my 4Runner, because that Honda's got some grimy headlights, and mine are just a little bit foggy. So
Yeah. It might work better on
we're
these
gonna give her another chance. Here we go.
I mean, that's way better. Look at the other side.
Oh yeah, that
That's
is way better.
way better.
Wow, you're doing
shine
well
that.
on these
We're kinda on a
hacks.
It works for a short period of time.
Yeah, just hope it don't rain.
Yeah, we'll try it out.
Yeah, I mean, the longevity of this one's questionable, but it'll hide the scratches for a little while.
Or will it? Let's test. All right, let's say you go to the grocery store, you leave your car out, and then some wild bear attacks the quarter panel. Happens to me on the daily. Luckily for us, we come equipped with a little WD-40, not sponsored, but you should sponsor us. What you're gonna do is you're gonna set it from the tube setting to the spray setting. That's a classic. You're just gonna swipe away.
Oh,
And it's like they were never there.
I mean, there's no scratches.
So I guess let's try the
Get
next
rid
one.
of it.
I mean, I wouldn't do that with my foot, but
What is this? Cabin air filter?
yeah. I mean,
Oh, is that perfume?
that seems pretty simple.
So, we have two options. First, Febreze Air Lilac. 2, Bentley Cologne.
Bentley Cologne. I'm no stranger to the sweet scent of cedar woods, my friend. I like it. I'm already in.
First step of this is to get access to the cabin air filter. How is that?
It's good. Refreshing.
Would you please get us cabin air filter access?
Ooh. Oh, that's a
Mod.
There we go.
Top tip for anybody with a car, change that more than this person has.
Oh my God, Jesus. Oh, it's so much. I can smell it from here.
Now all we have to do.
Now, by the way, we have a steering wheel now for this bad boy. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. We tried 5 steering wheels, including a pizza.
Oh, there she blows.
Oh!
Oh!
Wow, that is
Oh, it's pungent. Woo!
Might have overdone it.
Bro, you said lay it on thick.
That works.
Insane.
I've seen this do-it-yourself hack on Facebook, how to clean your seats in your car that are
seems
dirty with shaving cream. So I'm gonna try it out.
Little Justin Bieber going.
Yeah, I can't use that. Okay.
Oh,
With the hand.
what is going
With the
on?
hand.
So let it sit for a minute. Now I'm gonna scrub it with this scrubber. You can use whatever you like.
This is horrible.
I feel like anything that you put on your seat and agitate it, unless it's
Now I'm
like
just using
staining,
some water and a sponge.
we'll get some of the, like, you're still using.
This is terrible.
Now we're gonna dry it up.
Oh,
It works.
I mean, hey, I guess it worked. These seats aren't that bad, but they're still pretty gross. Really gotta lather it, you know? No, I don't think it is.
Okay. Yeah. She used her hand. You
Yeah,
need
she
to
used her
really
hand.
get in there with your
Yeah.
hand.
You went bare hand on a dirty seat.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, that's.
That's just me, though.
Touch
Go.
it
All right.
straight.
All right. Give me the towel. Oh, my face.
Sorry.
This is a lemon towel?
Yeah.
It's good. No, the lemon is a
Yeah.
cleaning agent.
That was my personal shaving cream.
It's too bad, buddy. You're gonna be getting a beard this week. All right.
I think we have to wait till it's dry.
Yeah, she went and dried it.
Okay, so we'll come back to this one.
Oh, I've seen this before.
Okay, yeah.
I'm curious about this.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty straightforward. Should just kind of vibrate all the dirt out, so.
Yeah.
Let's go test it out.
All right, next hack requires a brand new massage device.
And a vacuum cleaner. Is this? It works. It works.
All right, this thing's on max attack. Okay.
It just looks like it's rattling right now, but I'm coming for you.
Here, I'll help you out.
Okay.
Oh!
It's no.
Helicopter.
It's out. Get it loose. There we go. Yo, you loosened it up. Okay, now this one. Oh, that worked easy.
Perfectly.
What
What do you guys think?
If we had a better one, it might work better.
A better
massage device.
and more dust. If there was sand on this carpet, we would have been in business, but it's not. It's not gonna clean your carpet.
The comments are turned off on this one, which makes me think it definitely doesn't work. And I'm also an educated human.
So, all right, let's see.
So,
Let's see.
Man, if y'all lock y'all keys in the car and y'all want to get a little GTA mischief, I got a little trick for y'all. All right, you gonna pull it 2 times. Pull it back 3. This 3 times. This. Now wait.
Wait until someone unlocks the car.
all right, now I'm obviously very skeptical of this one, but I did some research. Hondas actually have a slightly different one you're supposed to do. Let me show you. First, well, the most important part is the mirror has to be folded in. You also have to be jump starting the car with another vehicle. We have a vehicle doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, now. That's 6.
That was 7.
A little bit of that. Then. And then, hold on. 10. Oh yeah. And then it works. No. Of course it doesn't work. This is the dumbest thing in the history of the world. That's the worst TikTok hack ever.
I've just gone around the corner and spilt Red Bull all in my cup holders, and I have nothing to wipe it up, and this is not even my car. I've got a life hack for you all today. If you've got tampons, just stick the tampon in there, absorb it all up.
I mean,
Right?
I think you can
You know,
just do
get
that
all the
with
water,
paper towel.
You know, it's going to be sticky, but you've soaked the Red Bull up, guys.
I don't know if that's more effective than just a piece of paper towel or a microfiber, but
Definitely.
let's find out.
We'll find out.
All right.
So we've seen this one in a couple places. Say you're driving along, getting ready for work, 7 a.m. shift. Get the caffeine train going. You're riding along nice and easy. Whoa, there's some bumps. The Red Bull is spilling everywhere.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
And now you've wasted your Red Bull, but the more important problem, there is grime taking up space in your cup holder now. So now you can't put drinks in there anymore without the bottoms getting Red Bull on it. So how do you clean that up? Okay, how do you do these things?
Oh, Jesus.
Open it like a Slim Jim or like
Yeah, like a Slim.
Okay. Oh yeah.
I think you gotta decontainer it. Ooh.
Okay.
Now that
That
looks
looks. Oh, the string, the green thing has to come off for it to work. Yeah.
I don't think that's.
Yeah, because string is involved somehow.
We might need like 5 of them.
Yeah, is that a full can of Red Bull?
Yes.
All right. I would say that worked like a charm.
We actually tested 2 other TikTok car hacks, and if you want to see those, you can now get them on our Patreon. We actually don't really take many sponsors on this channel, so we're trying to find other ways to get some money so we can shoot better videos, and the Patreon is one way for us to do that. So if you want extra content, you can get it on there. We're going to be shooting additional footage, or if you just want to join our Discord, you can also get that on there. So make sure you do that if you're interested. If not, totally fine, up to you, and you should definitely subscribe to the channel.